Some time phrases will trigger the present tense. Here is a list of some of them. Aujourd'hui, today, en ce moment, at the moment, à l'heure actuelle, currently, de nos jours, nowadays, maintenant, now, straight away is tout de suite, immédiatement, immediately, le matin, in the morning, l'après-midi, in the afternoon, le soir, in the evening. Note that the last three do not take the preposition in French. So please do not say dans le matin, dans l'après-midi, dans le soir. Just say le matin, l'après-midi, le soir. You will also use the present tense when you're talking about things that you do in general. So obviously, time phrases like d'habitude, tous les week-ends, toutes les semaines, de temps en temps, quelquefois, en général, will trigger. Something that's more complicated but that you will need to master at AS level is the use of depuis plus present tense. The difficulty lies in the fact that when you use since or for, you use then a tense that refers back to the past to highlight that you started it in the past and you're still carrying on in the present, whereas the French decides to only focus on what you're still doing in the present. Therefore, depuis always triggers the present tense. You have an example here. J'habite au Canada depuis 1999. This will translate as I have been living in Canada since 1999, and I still do. Okay, so you might find difficult to translate French sentences into English and vice versa. Here are a few sentences. Would you be able to translate them in English? Je fréquente ce lycée depuis le début de l'année. Okay, so you should have translated that as I have been attending sixth form since the start of the year. Number 2, elle travaille au bureau depuis 15 ans. This translates as she has been working at the office for the last 15 years. 3. Nous visitons la France depuis notre enfance. We have been visiting France since our childhood. Okay. So remember, if you want to translate a sentence such as I've been studying French for 5 years, you will need to identify the verb, studying, and put this verb in the present tense, the subjects being I, je. So the result will be J'étudie le français depuis 5 ans.